Hey Mr. Friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about CSS. What is CSS? Introduction to the CSS. Before starting the video, let me introduce myself. Myself Prathamesh, you are watching Techz Prati. Let's start. First question, what is CSS? A CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Means it is a one type of language which we use for giving a style to our style sheet. Means when we type on notepad from HTML, we write some text. When we need to give another color, if we want to change the color, like we want to bring some variation in colors like RGB, then we are using what we are using. We can't do by HTML. Just we know HTML. Then we can't give a style. We can't give a radiation. We can't give from HTML. We have to use a CSS language. It is a language which gives a style to our text. CSS is a one type of a style sheet language. What CSS do? What it's play a role? It's play a role of a describe a presentation. Which presentation we describe? It gives another look to it. It changes the colors. It can bring a variation in it. It is a cornerstone technology World Wide Web. It is developed by the World Wide Web and it is another today it is used in the another world also. Worldwide it is used today CSS for changing a style of a web page. What is a file extension of CSS? File extension is .css. It is written by .css. How we write like HTML? If you want to save HTML, then how we write .html? Like that we have to write for extension of CSS .css. It is one of a style scheme. CSS is developed by the good developers like Birdboss. Birdboss has developed the CSS. CSS initial release on December 17, 1996. 25 years ago. It was released on December 17, 1996. Means before 25 years. But let me know for what purpose CSS is used. CSS is used for change a layout of a page, color, font, accessibility, web page. Means I have previously told for changing the web page we need a CSS because without CSS we can't give a style, another style to the web page. Front look means which we type by the text. Means text was typed by the HTML. But for giving a big style means change its value, change its color, change its shape, size. We need a CSS. We have to study CSS for it. CSS plays a very important role in a web developing, website designing. CSS is used with HTML and JavaScript in website developing, website designing for changing a style, layout, font colors and another size of any text where we need we use CSS. That's why it is necessary to study firstly CSS for changing a style sheet of a web page and another things with HTML. It is with HTML and JavaScript. This was the CSS. In this video we will discuss about the CSS. How was the video? Just comment me. Thank you. Bye bye.